back, everyone. Okay, so we're playing Gurney now. I decided since I'm finally where I need to be and my grades are good and I'm ready to pursue YouTube, I am going to play a highly rated good game called Granny that I've never played in my life before. So let's get into this. You guys ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Okay, play. So far it does look scary a little bit, but I love scary. Dang it, I clicked it. Oh crap, didn't even know what I was supposed to do. Crap. Hopefully there's nothing there. Hopefully there's nothing that I really need to know. You know, because there's those games, you know, where they just give you information you do not want to need to know. Okay, the graphics are pretty poor. That's okay, because this is a game. We are going to play. What the heck? Hey, what is that? Okay, let me open up the door. Whoa! What the heck? I definitely missed something inside those instructions because, you know, I just got killed. You know, it feels really good to be back on YouTube, you know, something that I really enjoy. I have to leave this house. Okay, something I really enjoy that I really do like to do. I'm able to do it again. Now, the reason why I wasn't on YouTube for a long time was because of my grades in school. I was too focused on YouTube. Oh, you can hide. Okay. I was too focused on YouTube, and I wasn't focused more on my life ahead. Now, oh, you can hide that too. But, like I said, back on YouTube. Let's get it. I don't know how to escape. Crap. Hide right now. There's a woman after me. Oh yeah, my hair looks pretty bad. Anyway, what is she doing?
Do you want to
You
play
better
hide
run away.
and seek?
Yeah. Take your bony, long dress. What the heck? The table just spawned back. Okay, anyway, let's go. Please don't be right there. Yeah, that's what I thought. Get down the stairs. Bony skeleton. Okay. Oh crap. What the heck? She just teleported behind me. Okay, that's how we're gonna play this game.
Gold jewelry shining so bright, strawberry champagne on us, lucky.
Okay, hold on for a sec. Okay, I am back. Had to do something real fast. Had a heart attack for a second, but we're good. I don't know why I got so mad at my parents because they said that I was too focused on YouTube and not my grades. So I deleted every single video on YouTube that I've ever made besides 2 of them, which I thought was bullcrap after I rethought about what I had done. And I regret it because I had some pretty interesting videos on there and some of it was actually kind of funny. But you know, a fresh new start. My cat just scratched on my door. Please, I see you over there. Okay, please don't teleport behind me again, you know. I think I'm safe. I don't know how she teleported behind me like that. What happened? Why is this floor so squeaky? I'm gonna get caught. Well, hello there, beautiful woman. You're the love of my life. Please. I would love to survive. Please quit chasing me. Haha, outran the beautiful woman. Psych. She's ugly. Okay, I think I'm safe. Please say I'm safe. I'm not trying to get killed today. Oh, heard that. Psych. Okay. Anyway. I am safe. I'm safe. Please don't. Please don't. Day 4, how many days do I have to survive this night? Oh. There's blood on my face. Was that from my previous life? Heard that. Ooh. Oh my lord. There's something inside this house. Actually, I know there is, because, you know, I just got killed by it and there's still blood on my screen. Is there gonna come in here? There's no key. And I need a way out of this house. What is she doing? Okay, I got some balls right now. Let's go. Shut the door. Shut the door! Give me more crap. I knew she was right there. I don't know why I did it, but I did it. So, you know. We did it together. Wait, oh gosh, that's... Never mind. Don't listen to me, I'm just a little kid playing Minecraft. What? Just kidding. I am a 14-year-old who plays scary games because I enjoy scary games. And I am stupid at playing scary games. Ha 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 ha! Oh, what is wrong with your teeth? Ooh. Fly. Shoo shoo fly. We don't need no cockroaches crawling around my house. Bolt. 1, 2, 3, hut 3, 14, 5, 0, 4, 0, 5, 6, 5. Crap. I made a noise. She's gonna appear behind me. Hey mom, I'm home. Please don't kill me. Move! She just teleported. She was right coming down them stairs like she was big and mad with the bats. Oh, we want to throw me down the stairs now? Is that how we're gonna do this? You want to throw me down them stairs? Okay, I will wake up and haunt you. I will haunt the living daylights out of your face. Please wake up. Game over, guys. Well, it looks like I defeated the game. Let's get it, you know. I defeated the game. I need to prove
Gold jewelry shining so bright. Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's
Bye. I hate ads, and I hate this game because it's bull. What just, you know, pops in front of the screen like that? I mean, it's a pretty good game and all, but, you know, they need to work on the teleporting problem. This is not Slenderman. I downloaded a game called Creator, not Slenderman X23. It's still a pretty good game, though. Try this one more time. Please don't teleport behind me. I'm just trying to find the bagels and the cream cheese so I can make myself a breakfast. Since I just woke up from my beautiful night's sleep, you know, I had an awesome dream that I was not getting killed by a demon that walks around in my house, that locks me in my own room, that tries to, you know, kill me with the bat. Let me find an actual key. Crap me, crap whoa. Is there anyone there? Please don't be. I swear to God, if you walk through that door, I will come up and I will swing on that ugly little face of yours. Well, hey, beautiful. I was just playing. Can you please get out my room? I'm trying to watch YouTube. I'm playing Minecraft. Go, please, bye. And that's how you talk to your grandma. Just kidding. Don't talk to your grandma like that. She does not deserve that. She raised you. Just kidding. She raised your mom. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, 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 and whoa. She almost caught me. You don't want no smoke. That's what I thought, Grandma. No, no, Mom, bro. Who puts bear traps in their stairs? I was just taking a beautiful stroll in the city of the Townville. I don't know, but I was taking a beautiful stroll and someone just decides to put a bear trap in their floor. How beautiful is that? I have to leave this house. Yes, I know. Let's go. Crap, I banged on the door. She's gonna come kill me now. I can't get any beautiful sleep. I swear to Jesus, if you come walking through that door, this time I really will jump up. I'm not playing. Okay, we're jumping up. Hey, bro. Okay. That is...
Gold jewelry shining
How many
so
times is
bright.
this ad gonna play?
Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you.
How many times is that ad gonna play? Please, someone tell me. Anyway, that was Grandma, Granny, Grandma, something like that. Grandma, I'm gonna say. But, you know, it's a pretty good game. You should download it. I'm not sponsoring anything. No one's sponsoring me. I'm just playing a game, and I enjoyed it. Besides the teleporting problem, they need to fix that. And the bear traps. It's pretty good, but, you know, it's not the best.
Where
Grandma.
are you?
Let me give you a beautiful hug for ending this video. Grandma, I love you! Anyway, subscribe, comment, share, do whatever. I really do care because, you know, I'm trying to grow, not fall down and, you know, just do nothing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry, I cannot talk right now. I'm kind of nervous because I don't want to get killed in this game again. But anyway, that was the biggest lie. Anyway, subscribe, comment, and share. Comment down new ideas. You know, maybe I'll start vlogging. Maybe, I don't know. The world may never know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace, bro.